Okay guys, we're here with Krista. And she's been up since 3 a.m. and she still looks amazing. So we did her extensions in color, and now we're just gonna show you how to do some beachy waves. We're gonna use this 1¼ inch curling iron, and we're gonna start from the mid, and we're just gonna curl up and let it sit for a sec, and then take it out. And then straighten that end a little. And then we're just gonna take a section about a ½ inch back and kind of let it sit on the root a little, and then twist it out. And then just keep working my way back. And then when you do the underneath part, you kind of want the curls to switch the way they go. So I'm just gonna curl it towards her face and then have it come out. And then, so you're kind of bricklaying the way you curl it so they don't all just like melt together. And then just kind of let it sit for a second, and then when you take it out, just kind of twist it out. And then just kind of, when you do the underneath, and you could use like an 1½ inch curling iron too, but I just don't think it holds as well. So now I'm gonna start incorporating like her extensions in with her hair. And just curling it back. Okay, so I'm gonna have Brenna help me here.
Here I am.
And we're just gonna let it cool off before we start messing with the curls at all. So we're just keep going all the way to the back. Everyone
looks so good.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have her flip her head over, flip her head forward, all this hair, and we're just gonna kind of use some texture spray, just kind of run our fingers through it. Okay, flip it back, and then it kind of loosens it up a little bit, so it's not so perfect. So it looks a little beachier. And there you have the beachy waves. Thanks for watching. Bye.